Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2015 Toyota Sienna LE. We've got power sliding doors, as well as third row stow and go seating, captain's chairs, which allow for 7-passenger capacity. Up top we also have black roof rails, and we've got that nice tinted privacy glass for both your passengers and your cargo. Coming around to the front, we've got our nice large rigged windshield up here, which is great for visibility. And then we've got the chrome accents going on, and power for this Sienna comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine matted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Taking a look at the interior, we've got this top condition gray soft cloth upholstery, which does carry through to the back. In the second row, we're going to find 2 captain's chairs and then a bench seat for 3 in the very back. Checking out the door, we've got power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Moving on over here, we're going to find our traction control, and down there you can choose whether your power doors are off or on. Taking a look at the left hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling, and over here on the right we've got some different information we can check out up on the dash, and your cruise control is right down there. So starting it up and taking a look up here on the dash, we've got all of our normal bits and pieces, and using these steering wheel controls we can scroll through to get different information about our van. Moving on over, we have an AM/FM stereo with a CD player and Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription. Moving down, we've got our tri-zone electronic climate control, so your back passengers and your driver and your front passenger can all have the temperatures set to how they are comfortable. Moving down a bit more, we've got our heated front seat controls, as well as our USB and auxiliary power input. We've got our nice dual glove box over there, and then a big center console with some cup holders and more space for storage. Taking a look in the back, you're also going to see right in the very back that this van comes with a full set of winter tires on rims as well. Around back, we're going to find a color matched rear spoiler, and of course our Toyota Sienna LE and all-wheel drive badging as well. Thank you for taking the time to check out this 2015 Toyota Sienna with me. If you would like to check it out for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you'd like some more info before making the trip, you can give us a call, and one of our product advisors would love to speak with you, or you can find us online at KelownaToyota.com to get all the specs and details about this Sienna and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.